Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. The footage that you are looking at is of the Nepali coast on the beautiful island of Kauai. And the reason that you're seeing that is because I took that footage on my trip with my husband last week. And of course, I had to go thrifting as well. So I'm going to show you some of the really fun finds that I found while we were on our vacation in stunning Hawaii. What's up you guys? I'm here in beautiful Kauai and I'm doing what everyone else does on vacation, which is thrift, right? So we're at the Salvation Army. We're gonna hit up a few thrift stores today and see what we can find. I'm extremely curious. I've never gone thrifting in Hawaii before, so it'll either be a gold mine or it'll be a little dry. We will see. I should mention that everything at this thrift store was $1 unless it was marked as a boutique item and then it was half off the marked price. So there was a sale going on. Even then, I would never pick up LuLaRoe, even if it was free. So LuLaRoe has fallen from grace so far. It used to be such a hot bolo and now it is nothing. But I did find this linen J. Crew skirt kind of right off the bat. I must mention that I had to be really selective with what I picked up because I had only very limited room in my suitcase, so I did pass on that for now. Even though normally if I'm picking that up for $1 locally, I would have grabbed it and kept it, but not today. And then right on that same rack, bingo, I found some Vince cargo like white linen blend pants. And these originally retailed for $225. Kind of crazy. So yeah, definitely a pickup for me at only $3 for my buy costs. I went ahead and I grabbed those. So Tommy Bahama is very hit or miss for me. The Hawaiian print shirts that are silk tend to do a little bit better, but when it's just something that's cotton or linen or canvas, it just doesn't do as well unless it's like a really unique print. This wasn't, it was very basic. I saw a lot of Tommy Bahama actually at this thrift stop, but I did not pick up any of it. It just wasn't worth it. Bowden is another brand that's just gone downhill for me. The dresses really aren't worth picking up for me unless they're extremely unique or there's some kind of beaded detail or something interesting, but in this instance, I definitely passed. Teach. This is one of those tricky wannabe brands. It's trying to be Mizook, which is an exclusive brand and really a good pickup, but Miss Look is definitely not a pickup, so don't be deceived. Even though this brand was new with tags, it doesn't always mean it's a pickup, so because the comps didn't look that great, even brand new, I definitely passed on it. Plus, I just didn't know how long it would take to sell as it was kind of an unknown brand.
Is Tommy Bahama good?
No.
Okay.
This was a fun find. It is a flax linen top, and these tend to do pretty well for me. They sell consistently between $30 and $35, so it was a definite pickup for me. Any kind of Lucky Brand really embellished or embroidered hoodie tends to do pretty well for me. It looks like this exact sweatshirt is actually sold on Poshmark for $40, so it looked like a solid pickup for me. And again, Lucky Brand isn't the best brand to pick up sometimes, but when it's an embroidered, embellished full zip hoodie, it's a decent pickup. This was an Ivanka Trump full zip parka with like a faux fur trim hood. This would have actually been a decent pickup for me. It would have been $15 because everything marked was half off. but in the end it was just way too bulky and it wasn't brand new like the one I just showed you. It was pre-owned, so I did end up passing on it, but I think it would have been a good pickup locally. This tag is tricky because there isn't a label on it. It's just a picture of a bird, but this is actually Weston wear and it's an Anthropology brand. It's like a tiered tank top. It's super lightweight. It was only $1, so I figured I'd go ahead and grab it and hopefully flip it for around $20, but we'll see. What'd you find?
Jam's World.
Yep. Let's see. We have off this, so $5. Great find,
I'm
babe.
a genius. I'm really good at this.
Nice. Good find, babe.
I think I said something.
Yeah. Here you go. I found this. So this was a rare instance where I passed on Patagonia. This top was really worn. It wasn't like an interesting or unique item. It was just very basic and it was actually very old. So I did pass on it, but usually with Patagonia, I almost always pick it up. With this Free People top, it was only $1 and super lightweight, easy for me to fit into my suitcase, so a definite pickup for me, hoping to flip for $20 to $25. Oh my gosh.
Sorry, mix them up. What's it?
Lululemon. Yeah.
I could tell when I felt it.
Awesome find by my husband. These are the Lululemon. They're either the speed shorts or the runtime shorts. Either way, they should fetch around $35 to $40 for me, and this colorway is kind of unique. I haven't really seen it around a lot, so I'm really excited to list these. This might be the find of the day. Good job. Nice work.
I think I saw someone.
And hooray for Eileen Fisher, I found this short sleeve button front cardigan. It was super soft, so I checked materials tag and it was cashmere blend. So definitely a win in my book, and for only $1, for sure pickup. And that about did it for this thrift store, and I have to say it was such a fun and quirky thrift store. The owners were super nice. They actually closed at 3 p.m., so they were like the most chill shop owners ever. They were more than happy to help, and they had that great sale going, so I was extremely happy that I was able to take some time for my vacation and come thrift just really where the heart of Kauai is. It was really fun. And this was the last thrift store that we went to, and we actually found some really cool and unique gems here, so I'm excited to show you what we found. This is the Free People Wildflower Honey printed top, and it's super boho, loose fit, kind of a tunic, so I thought it would sell really well because those styles in Free People tend to do pretty well for me, so definitely a pickup. We have a basket. This is the old Eileen Fisher tag, so it means it's an older style, and there were actually some stains and little pinholes in it, so I did leave it behind. No. That's Chico's.
J. Peterman?
Oh yeah, show me. Oh man, yes. J. Peterman isn't just from Seinfeld, it is a brand that actually sells decently well for me on eBay, so because this was like an embroidered tunic top, kind of unique, it was a definite pickup for us.
Great find. Great find. Grab it.
Ella Moss.
And I actually found the same Free People tunic top that I had found before, the wildflower one, in a different colorway. So of course that was another pickup for me. This Rain Spooner dress was kind of a fun find. It has these really cute hula girls on it. I couldn't find exact comps for this print, but I knew since it was unique and different, it was a pickup for sure.
Yeah. There's one that tries to copy it. Hold this for me. I don't have, we need a basket. Yeah, those are mine. My finds. No, that's not good. Yeah, please do.
I found another Free People dress this time, lace top with like a flowy full skirt. It was really cute. This was like the store of Free People. I found a ton of Free People here. I found this Tea Tahari ombre beige kind of silky top. The reason I didn't pick it up is because Tahari just like does not move for me. Even though it is a high-end brand, I think this top probably retails for close to $90. It just does not move in my store. So as much as I'm tempted to grab things like it, I did leave it behind. This Intimately Free People top probably would have been a pickup for me, except it did have a rip in the side and looked a little bit worn, so it was a pass.
Nope.
This Intimately Free People lace dress, however, did not have any flaws, so it was in perfect condition, really, really cute, a newer style, so definitely an easy pickup for me.
Looks like. Oh my gosh, Tej, you are so good.
Okay, so normally Lululemon tanks aren't the best find for me. However, this is in a really unique print. It's in like the manifesto print. Definitely a pickup when it's something unique like this.
Awesome, yes.
Another Intimately Free People top. This one was strapless and had embroidery. It was really cute. So definitely an easy pickup. Super easy for me to pack, and it was only $1.
Fold it for me. Let's see, how many is that?
I'm just
5.
5,
Okay.
6,
Are you pretty low on space in your suitcase?
7. Let's
But
just
there's
pick
this
the
one
best
too, right?
ones.
Okay. I don't know, I
That's-
think they're
that's
all
gonna
pretty
be
good.
full. 8, 9, 11, 12, 13. It's really dry to shove it in.
14, okay.
Let's see.
Alright, so after all was said and done, we spent the afternoon thrifting, a few hours, and we picked up 20 items. We can potentially sell it for anywhere from $500 to $600, just depending on the price we get on average. And we will probably keep anywhere from $250 to $300 of that. So super exciting day, not a bad way to spend a portion of our vacation, if I don't say so myself. It was really, really fun. And hey, it paid for a few of our meals, so totally a win-win. Alright you guys, that about does it for me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you really enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun making it. And if you like videos like this, the best way to tell me is with a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for all my latest videos to show up in your feed. Thanks you guys. I will catch you next time.